In today's video, to create this look, I'm not going to use any kind of foundation, mascara, false eyelash, blush, contour or eyeshadow. Then what am I using? Hi! This is a stupid girl called Tasnia Neha. Welcome to my channel! So first, I'm gonna draw my eyebrows with a kajal pencil. Right after that, I'm going to clean under my eyebrows with the help of a concealer. It's named O2O. I'm in the shade of vanilla. Now I'm going to moisturize my skin with a baby moisturizer. It's basically Johnson's rice and baby cream. Blend it. Right after that, you have to drink water from a purple jar like me. Just kidding. Now I'm going to use the same concealer O2O. I'm in the shade of vanilla. Yesterday I saw a TikTok hack, basically a makeup hack. They were claiming that if you use concealer making this kind of shape at your face, you're going to look slim and this is going to give you a contour effect. So let's see if this hack gives me a slim effect in a big fat face that I have. Obviously I look like a pig, I think. Now I'm going to take a kajal and I'm going to draw a little straight line in my eyes and I'm going to blend it so that it gives me a smudged look or beautiful eyes like deer. Lol, that's impossible. Now I'm going to use a compact powder to set my makeup. Now I'm going to take a mascara. Oh shit, I forgot. I can't use mascara in this look. Shit. So I'm going to take a eyeshadow blending brush and I'm going to press my small eyelashes with this. This thing will add a little bit volume in my eyelashes. Now I'm going to draw outlines in my lips. I'm going to draw some straight lines in the middle section of my lips and also in sides so that it gives a volume in my lips. Now I'm going to use these two beautiful shades of pink and nude, mix them together and smudge it in my lips so that it gives a beautiful pinkish nude color. Now I'm going to use a lip gel. It gives a glossy effect. Now I'm using the same pink shade that I used in my lips as a blush. Just blend it and here you go, the pinkish blush effect. After that, I'm going to take my favorite homemade setting spray and spray it on my face. After that, I'm going to use the same damn beauty blender and dab the makeup all over my face. It's blended and good to go. You can totally use any kind of ornaments that you like, and you can also use a red bindi just like I did, and you're ready to go. Comment down below if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like it, please do share with your friends and family.